With age often comes constant nagging soreness throughout the body, from the neck, shoulder, back, elbows, hands, knees to make life at times almost unbearable. It is not always age-related, young ones get it too, and more so in the last couple of decades than ever before. Arthritis is one name for it. There are many types of arthritis and many have similar pain-related issues and symptoms. Lots of research being done on this type of illness, no medical cure has been found being successful. This also includes any drug medicine. The best pharmaceutical has to offer are painkillers with unhealthy side effects which can make this situation even worse. Maybe the question here is, why has this illness become more common and widely spread through different ages over the last few decades? What causes joint pain? The cause of joint pain could come from any injury from the past. It could be sport-related, overuse in a workplace, obesity and wrong diet. These are the most common ones. Most likely you can rule out most of them. If this is the case, where else can it come from? Some medical report would say it been caused from inflammation. So, what causes inflammation? The first sign of inflammation is redness and swelling of the joints, accompanied by pain. Also, inflammation is the cause of many illnesses, as well as cardiovascular disease. Cause of inflammation. Everyone's body reacts different to different things, therefore, inflammation can affect everyone in a unique way. A chemical reaction takes place, mainly in your bloodstream, where white blood cells being released into affected areas to protect from foreign things such as inflammation. This not only causes arthritis and joint pain, it also triggers many other illnesses. The immune system can overact to bacteria caused from wrong food. Stress, constant emotion can also bring on inflammation. As well, short supply of hyaluronic acid, also known as hyaluronan, is found in most of our body's cells. The principle of the synovial fluid is to reduce friction between cartilage and joints during movement to lubricate. Intake or production by our body of hyaluronic acid rebuilds the pillow of fluid that cushions joints and reduces pain. Inflammation is the cause of many things, but at the same time it is an important part in your body because it is trying to heal the body from injury. For example, when the joints become red-looking, swollen and painful, it is part of a healing process. Best solution is food. Foods that lower inflammatory situations and bring your body back into balance. Also, food is the best option to rebuild the necessary hyaluronic acid in the cells. You can eat specific foods and supplements to increase hyaluronic acid needed for lubrication of joints. You can consume any type of root vegetable, although be eaten as raw as possible, including carrots and sweet potatoes. Also lots of fermented foods, onions, garlic, broccoli, pineapple, spinach, olive oil, wild-caught salmon. Include plenty of olive oil, as in salad dressing etc. Take 1 or 2 tablespoons of olive oil daily as is. Use coconut or macadamia oil for frying and other types of cooking. Anything that is high in omega-3, natural nutrients help to keep your joints from drying out. The right proteins act as lubricant between cartilage, joint and connective tissues. Turmeric, known as the yellow powder, is an extraordinarily powerful compound and a must for joint pain and arthritis sufferers. In fact, turmeric's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory benefits are so powerful in natural pain relief, better than any painkillers, and it is safe. Natural foods as such have the best healing power without any side effects. Most likely the reason for developing arthritis and joint problems in the first place is lack of natural nutrients. This has become more noticeable over the last few decades with increased processed and sugar-laden foods. Exercises in maintaining joint movement and muscle strength, although movement such as exercise be painful but is necessary. Foods to avoid. For example, don't be lured into choosing farmed fish instead of wild-caught fish. Avoid farmed fish of any kind. They could make joint pain worse. Farm-raised fish contain a lower amount of inflammation-fighting omega-3. They also have unhealthy levels of pro-inflammatory omega-6 fatty acids. This is because farmed fish being fed unhealthy amounts of soy pellets, which increases the ratio of omega-6, which promotes chronic inflammation in the human body. On top of farmed fish being fed substantial amounts of antibiotics to control diseases caused by crowded conditions in which they are raised. Others to avoid are sugar carbohydrates, including candies, cookies, sodas, fruit juices, sport and health drinks, any fast foods, especially deep-fried, refined wheat products, white bread, cakes, pasta etc. Refined polyunsaturated vegetable oils, corn, soy, safflower, sunflower and canola oils, avoid them all. Margarines, mayonnaise, commercial salad dressings, dips, energy bars, processed snacks, chips, crackers, microwaved popcorn, veggie burgers and any other fake soy-based food.